the 2021-2022 John F. Kennedy Memorial High School Open House. Tonight, the principal's address will be delivered virtually in an effort to reduce the number of gatherings we as a community have in attending this event. The purpose of tonight's open house is for our families to meet the teachers and the faculty that will be providing instruction to our students during the fall and the spring semester. The event is meant to encourage opening the lines of communication between our families and our teachers so that ultimately our students meet with success during this school year. This morning, we had student assemblies by class to talk about the theme for the 2021-2022 school year, which is, in order to focus on what matters most, we must respect what makes us different. And in that theme, we asked our students to emphasize the three goals we have as a community. Goal number one was to encourage the efforts of our classmates, to make sure that we are providing an environment where the successes of our students are both celebrated and the efforts that they put into their endeavors are encouraged. The second is to encourage all of our students to put forth their best effort each and every day that they come to the halls of John F. Kennedy Memorial High School. And last, but certainly not least, it was to talk versus texting. We asked them to take advantage of the opportunities that come with in-person instruction. The opportunities to talk to their classmates, opportunities that have been taken from us over the past 18 months. We are thrilled to be able to offer this event this evening. We are proud of the efforts that our students have made in the opening of school, and we look forward to an excellent school year this year. Should you wish to arrange any individual conferences or you are unable to attend tonight's event, I would encourage our families to reach out to your student's guidance counselor and to coordinate a meeting where we can touch base and once again open the lines of communication. I wish everyone the best, much success during this school year, and health and happiness to everyone.